Fortnite and you're dominating the lobbies. There are 10 players left, you're cranking 90s, and you check the kill feed and see that there are 2 players left. You want to no-scope the last guy, but then your frame drops to 2. When your frame comes back, you've lost the match. You get angry, and now you want to build a new PC. You check your savings and see that you have $600 to spend, but don't know what to get and want to maximize performance. Well, that's why I'm here. If you don't know who I am, I'm someone who spent 6,000 hours on Amazon looking for the best, latest deals you can get on PC parts. And I'm going to show you how you can build a new and potentially more pricey performance PC for $600 that can game at 1080p and one that has only one used component and that can game at 1440p. Let's talk about the brain of the computer, which is the CPU. We're going to go with the Ryzen 5 5500. Fortnite is a CPU demanding game. Ryzen 5500 is a perfect budget option that you can get. Won't bottleneck most GPUs you would fit in this price range. It's gonna be good for this build. It's 6-core 12-threaded CPU, so you know it's gonna be good for Fortnite. Onto the motherboard, we're gonna go with a AMD B450 motherboard, specifically this one. It is on the AM4 platform. The benefit of this motherboard is that you can upgrade to Ryzen 7 7800X3D if you wanted to. Now for RAM, which is in my opinion the most important part if you don't want lags, if you don't want drop frames, that's why we're gonna go with 32 gig of DDR4 RAM at 3600 megahertz. You can pretty much get any RAM that's cheap. I went with this. Make sure you get dual channel RAM to get the most out of your RAM because Fortnite likes dual channel RAM. For a case, I got this micro ATX case. Not to mention that the motherboard is micro ATX. Let's get to the most important part of this build, the GPU. Now, I have 2 options for you, which is new and used. Both great value, but one of them is for 1080p and the other one is for 1440p. For a new graphics card, we have the RX 6600. No other card can handle games more than this card. If you're going new, that is. It has 8GB of VRAM, so you're not being held back. It'll dominate easy 200 FPS on Fortnite with optimizations. Now, for the used part of things, if you really want that performance and you're willing to buy used for a graphics card, there is one card that I would recommend. That is the 2080 Super. It is a pure 1440p card, and here's the thing, it's actually almost the same price as the 6600 on eBay. It costs around $200 to $230, which is still in the $600 price tag. It has 8GB of VRAM. It's about like 16 to 20% faster than the RX 6600. You get 20% more performance for the same price. For storage, we went with a 1TB Crucial P3 drive, which will run you about $53. It should be enough for you and your games. And I recommend you get a 1TB drive because the difference between this and the 512 drives is just like $25. For the power supply, we're going to go with 600 watts. I recommend you get a good power supply since you don't want to like burn up your PC. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget Jesus loves you. God bless. See you later. Peace.